Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And one of the things that happened today, of course, you saw my videos possibly of a little bit of ranting and of the disconnect that it seems Microsoft really has concerning Windows 11. But there was also hints of what's happening to Windows 10. And the hints are few, but they're enough to show that Panos Panay, I don't know how many times in the discussion today seemed to have said that, look, it's so cool because Windows 11 is a new direction, is a new way of doing things. And that's where we're going. And Windows 10 is now Windows 11 is now, the new operating system. And almost talking about it as if it was a major breakthrough and a major new technology. Far advanced from Windows 10, when in reality, most of us probably agree that it's kind of, a Windows 10 that's been reworked with the new user interface on it. And, well, the few things that they say kind of tells us that the future of Windows 10 is simple, pretty much boring with nothing new. I posted videos many months ago about how boring is good sometimes. I think if you're a Windows 10 user, that's going to be the main thing. You will have pretty much no new features, no real big changes. Windows 10 will stay the way it is now, which is fine, honestly. Windows 10 it works great, and I got no problem with that. Well, that's pretty much the future of Windows 10. It's going to be these very small cumulative updates. It's going to go on until 2025. A lot of you still asking or saying, I wish that Microsoft will extend the Windows 10 end of support, which is December 2025 right now. Honestly, I don't think it's going to happen. It happened once. We saw it in the past. It happened once with Windows XP. But for the most part, I don't expect that to happen with Windows 10. But we're still 3 years away, more than 3 years away from the Windows 10 operating system end of support. How many people are still going to be using, how many computers are still going to be on Windows 10 in 2025? That is the question. And who knows what can happen in the future? Microsoft, can change its mind. We've seen it in the past. But for now, I don't expect that. And don't forget that 3 years is a long period of time. A lot of the PCs not running Windows 11 today are going to be changed, upgraded. People will have new PCs, will have a PC that's going to break down. They're going to decide to buy something new. Or just, they're going to be tired of that really old PC they have and going to buy something new. And so it's going to be interesting to see what will be those numbers in 2025. We're still far away, and I don't know, will I be here in 2025 with this channel still talking about Windows and so on? Who knows? Things change so fast sometimes, but it's anybody's guess. But right now, we'll be getting, and not talking about it, we know that we're getting a one update a year for Windows 10. The next update will be 22H2, which will be a very, very small cumulative update with pretty much nothing new. But it kind of tells us Windows 10 is not anymore in, any way what Microsoft is going towards. It's really focusing on Windows 11 full speed ahead. And that's where the new features will be. That's where the new technologies will be. So it's going to be a quiet ride on Windows 10. It's obvious from today's talk. That's the future. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching our videos.